Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a huddle on Slack. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you want to do is jump into Slack. Once you're in Slack, you're going to go over to your left-hand side. You're going to choose the person that you'd like to create a huddle with. You can also do this in your channels, whereas you can add multiple members. So, for example, if you want to create a huddle with more than 2 people. Once you've done so, on the right-hand side, you will see this little headphone icon. This says Start Huddle, and then you're going to go ahead and click on it. Now, before you do that, if you want to click on this drop-down menu here, you can copy the Huddle link. Now, if you go in here and you copy this link, you can actually send this to anybody else that is on your Slack team, and they can actually join that huddle as well. Externally, they can join in. So you can start it here and then they can just jump straight in. So you go ahead and click on Start Huddle. On the bottom left-hand side, you can see over here, there's some options. You can change your microphone settings, your camera settings. You can share your screen. You can send reactions. Over here, you can manage all the members that are in the huddle. And then here are a couple more options over here. So you can copy that link. You can go to direct message, add topics. You can change the theme, language. You can show captions, video playback, and then all of your video and microphone settings. And once you're done with your huddle, you can literally just click on leave right over here. And you are now done with your huddle. It is closed.